See Junior. All right, today we're going to bring a golden lamp. Now, this is a perfect lamp for restaurants or outdoors or any kind of events. You can place this pretty much anywhere. This one comes with two different modes. Charging station is right behind it. There's included with the actual USB connection to actual power. Rubber grips in the bottom at the end, so you can see that. And we're going to turn off the lights in here, and we're going to see what kind of tone does it have. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.